Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best CONSOB regulated Forex brokers. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Let's get started. Firstly, the CONSOB is the financial regulatory body in Italy. This body offers Forex traders a high level of protection, approves financial market activities, issues licenses to all members while monitoring all operations by financial intermediaries, and penalizes any unfair conduct such as fraud and insider trading. These regulatory conditions provide traders with good security and protection of their funds. In this list, we will be going through some of the top 5 best CONSOB regulated Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Tickmill. Tickmill is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stock indices and oil, precious metals, and bonds. Their accounts feature Pro, Classic, and VIP accounts with low minimum deposits, over 80 tradable market instruments, top-tier client fund safety, and multilingual support. Featured platform for live and demo accounts is available on the MetaTrader platform, as well as Tickmill's Web MetaTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Tickmill also offers their very own trading educational center, which delves into topics such as market analysis, the psychology of trading, various trading strategies, fundamental and technical analysis panels, as well as a variety of eBooks and webinars that you can sign up to whenever you please. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have Alpari. Alpari is a globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts with up to 4 tradable base currency options, floating and fixed spreads, Islamic swap-free options, and more. Alpari also provides their very own Beginner's Guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have FPMarkets. FPMarkets is an Australian, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with up to 50 tradable market instruments and commodity options, lower leverage, access to their mobile application, tighter spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FPMarkets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, their own economic calendar, technical and fundamental analysis panels, as well as a few eBooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies for you to browse through as you please. Coming in at number 2 on our list, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts with low minimum deposits, lower spreads, and more. Exness also provides their very own Trading Academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, various multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to browse through as you please. And coming in at number 1 on our list of the top 5 best CONSOB regulated Forex brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and for all your mobile trading activities, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the Best Forex Broker, the Best Trading Experience, the Best Bitcoin and CFD Broker, the Best Affiliate Program, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online, fully regulated financial broker. And those are some of the top 5 best CONSOB regulated Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.